Fixtures for the bathroom. Anywhere you can put these that you can imagine. When you open this up, they're very well protected. And this one is a black finish, something that sister is looking for in her bathroom. And we're going to open up and show you what one of the glass containers look like. Please be very careful not to drop this. It's very elegant indeed. And there it is. You get kid gloves, instruction manual, and the wire nuts and screws, bolts, etc. So please make sure your bolts and screws match the ones that are provided. With everything taken out, you're going to unscrew each of the sockets. I'm going to demonstrate just one right now. You're going to grab the housing, the cover. You're going to lay it on top. You're going to place right back on the housing. And you're going to do the best to lock this into place. But please make sure that you take everything off and not just the cosmetics look. Because this is how we do things. We take a look, see what needs to be changed out, and here we go. There's your socket. This goes directly over. It fits securely in. You're going to place on the white socket the best you can. You're going to spin it on. You're going to lock it down. Then you're going to take the cosmetic cover and you're going to spin it over. When everything is set into place, this is what you're going to have just with one look. We're going to show you how to install this. It's very simple indeed. Over here, there are two thumb bolts that you're going to take off. And on the back, you have your leads. And you're going to hook one up to your neutral and one to the black. And you're going to hook your bracket up and lock it into place. So let's go shut our AC off and go hook this bad boy up. We have an older style 3 fixture. It's going to be taken down. And we're going to put the other one on. So we're going to shut the AC off, get the provided tools you need, an ohms meter, screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, etc., and start to take things down. I'm leaving my center out so I can get my hands on everything. And I am going to now hook up my neutral and load. The ground leads are one of the things that what we do is we put on first. So this way we can hold on to something. And this way you can let it sit. Make sure your screws are tight when you put your bracket on. You're going to match lead for lead. What we're going to do now is simply just place this on. Hopefully it matches up. And put the other glass cover on. And there you have it, your fixture. Go turn your AC on, put the bulbs in. Don't forget to put that piece in the middle. And there you have your fixture completed. Put your bulbs in that you're going to purchase and you're ready to go. Congratulate yourself while you put up your fixture. A very beautiful, elegant fixture indeed. Looking very presentable in an old-fashioned bathroom, making it modern. So I hope this product may be right for you. Something that you're looking for to dress up your bathroom. Have a great day with your 3-piece fixture.